pomelo salad with grilled shrimp. Then we serve it with Thai vinaigrette. This is part of our a la carte menu. So yung a la carte menu namin is diversified. So we have Asian dishes, French, Western. So hope you enjoy. This is sisig itom. It's inspired by Maranao dish using coconut, burnt coconut. So, pag nagbe-burnt coconut kami sa loob, code 1 agad. Darating lahat yung mga security. So, here, the first one we serve is topped with foie gras. But now, we make it simpler. We incorporate the liver on the sauce itself. Okay. Composition of dried shrimp, small dried shrimp. Then we added some mixed secrets like shrimp, squid, and fish fillet. Boiled eggplant comes with vinegar, fish sauce, and garlic. Sure, nilaga. Tapos may touch siya ng ginger. So, matitikman nyo rito is more on parang sweetness, tapos yung bite ng ginger. The way we stand out with the Bingsu chili wings is we add custard on our water. So, pag tinikman nyo siya, it's more on ice cream. Yung, kaya hindi siya madaling magusto. So, hope you enjoy.
Tapos hindi to
Banana.
And we have the